Hey, are you an established private practice physician or med spa that needs help with either marketing your practice to get new patients? Maybe you're targeting a specific kind of patient because you're focusing on a new procedure. Or maybe you've lost patients over the years and it's time to replace them. Or are you having high staff turnover, or do you keep losing patients and you have no idea why? Or maybe you just feel like you're working really, really hard and you just don't see the money coming in and you have no idea why. If any of these issues are something that you face, or maybe you have all of them, I have a solution for you. I created a new product that addresses all these issues in one product. My name is Jamie Spann. I'm the founder and owner of Business Savvy Physician. I have over 20 years working with physicians and med spas. My company will take a deep dive into your practice and see what you're doing with marketing. Are you on social media? What social media are you on? What are you posting? How often are you posting? I have a secret patient shopping experience where we'll send a secret patient through your practice to see what's really going on and get the average, patient experience, so you can see what your staff is, how your staff's actually treating patients. I will also be talking to your employees and see what their experience is working there. We will look at your accounts receivable. We will see how many claims that are getting denied. We'll look at how long it's taking for your claims to get billed and paid. These are just a few areas that we will deep dive into and see what's really going on in your practice. And then you're going to get a detailed report of all your findings with recommendations on how to fix them, including a 5-month roadmap that tells you exactly what to focus on for 5 months. Click the link in my bio to schedule a free 30-minute call to learn more about these products. We've got PhysicianPro and SculptMD for med spas. So click the link, schedule a call. Let's see if we can help you. Thanks.